Jordan with nuCamp here. Today we're going to be showing you how to dewinterize a 2023 Tab 320. The dewinterization process will be a little bit different this year. For the 2023, we've moved from the Nautilus P2.5 over to the Nautilus P3 system. So when we talk about dewinterizing, really all we're doing is draining all the antifreeze out of the system, putting a sanitizing solution through the plumbing, and then flushing it with fresh water. Let's get started. You'll first need to drain the antifreeze out of the system. Open the gray tank, let the contents drain out, and then close it back up. Do the same for the hot and cold drain valves. Go ahead and mix up a sanitizing solution in your bucket. You'll want a half cup of bleach per gallon of water. Connect one end of your hose to the city water inlet and place the opposite end in your sanitizing solution. A shorter hose is more efficient for this step. Next, turn the knobs on the Nautilus panel to the sanitized position using the key on the sticker. Now turn on your water pump to begin siphoning the sanitizing solution. Once the tank is full, turn off your water pump and use the key on the sticker to switch it to dry camp mode. Inside the camper, turn on your water pump and begin flushing the antifreeze out of your faucets and fixtures. Run the water through the faucet until it's no longer pink. Don't forget to hook up your external shower hose and run the sanitizing solution through it as well. After that, you'll want to empty your freshwater tank. Open the drain valve, let the contents run out, and then close it. Now, set your tank to power fill mode and hook up your garden hose to the city water connection. Don't forget to use an inline water pressure regulator. Be sure to keep an eye on your monitor panel so as not to overfill your tank. Once your camper is filled with water, put the Nautilus into dry camping mode. You can now run fresh water through all your faucets and fixtures to flush out any residual sanitizing solution. Turn your water pump off when you are finished. Now you are dewinterized and ready for the camping season. We hope you found this video helpful. If you do have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us here at tech@nucamprv.com. Thanks for watching.